Hi guys, this is Tony. Here comes a Union Pacific gravel train in. There's a few more trains coming in and trying to see how much I can get in before I am done for the night. So I'm just trying to have a little catch up. Here it comes. My goodness. Dang it's flying. Wow, he's gone. Wow. Unbelievable. There goes the northbound Union Pacific gravel train plus the horn show, and more trains coming in. Stay tuned. Bye bye.